In order, John took half of his candy and gave it to Emily. Then Emily gave half of her candy to Sarch. Afterwards, Sarch gave John 16 pieces of candy. At this point, all three of them have 40 pieces of candy. Question: originally, how many pieces of candy did each of the three individuals have?
Let's examine each one and see what changes occurred. First, let's look at John. We don't know how much candy he had at the start, but we do know he gave half to Emily. Isn't half the same as dividing by 2? After giving, we still don't know how much he has. So, let's keep going. He received 16 candies from Sarch. And finally, he had 40 candies. Now, let's work backward. After gaining 16, working backward means subtracting 16, which gives us 24 here. Continuing to reason backward, dividing by 2 is the reverse of multiplying by 2. So we can conclude that John initially had 48 candies. Let's set that aside and look at Emily. We don't know how many candies she had at the start. What was the first change for her? Wasn't it that she got half from John? We just found out that John had 48 candies, so half is 24. So, this here is adding 24. And we still don't know how much she has, so let's keep going. The problem says she gave half to Sarch. Same as before, that's divided by 2. In the end, she also ended up with 40 candies. Let's reason backward again. Dividing by 2 backward is the same as multiplying by 2. We get 80. Adding 24 reversed is subtracting 24. We can calculate that Emily initially had 56 candies. Last we come to Sarch. Pay attention here. How did it change the first time? The problem says, in order, Sarch's candy quantity changed for the first time is after Emily received John's candies. So, when Emily gave half to Sarch, she was giving half of 80, which is 40. At the end, she also had 40 candies after giving John 16. If we reason backward, we add 16 to get 56. Subtract 40, so initially, Sarch had 16 candies.